Hello friends, welcome to UI UX YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at how to add micro animation to a hamburger menu in Figma. Let's start. First, take a frame. You can use a shortcut F key to insert the frame. Then draw the hamburger menu, as shown in the video. Align it within the frame. And use a color of your choice. Make this frame into a component. You can create a component by using shortcut key, Ctrl+Alt+K. Take a variant of it after it has been made into a component. Select an auto layout and arrange it vertically or horizontally. Now make changes by arranging the hamburger menu and vertically center a line in the second variant. Now, rotate the elements at a 45-degree angle to create a close icon. Change the color of this close icon. I am using the red color. You can use any color of your choice. Now we are going to do a prototype for this component. Now, go to prototype mode, add interaction with on-click, smart animate, and ease out of 300 milliseconds. Do this same for the next variant. Our cycle is finished. We will go from the first to the last variant and we will be able to test that. Now, we have an animated hamburger menu with micro interaction. There are some hamburger menus, which I created for example. You can customize by your choice. Thanks for watching. Please like and share a video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon for more notifications and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you.